Way back in 2014, there were hardly any Indian companies who were doing Salesforce automation. There were only a couple of them. And it was not a very tough call. We liked the user interface of Bizom, which was simple, and it gave us what we wanted at that point of time. It had given us GPS tracking, it gave us stock at outlet, reports, all the reports were in real time. So action could be initiated immediately. For a fresh category like us, I cannot wait for 7 days for an analysis and then decide on my plan. Everything needed to be real time. So that's how we made the decision to go with Bizom.
So, and I think that's something that we also did consciously, because we used to kind of take an analytics engine from somewhere else at the beginning, very, very beginning when we started. And then we figured out that for this industry, that doesn't make sense simply because all data is not available in real time for you. And real time really is the secret sauce. And I, like some of our other customers will also tell you here, that is what can make the change for you. You always started using a lot of the advanced analytics that we kind of bring to the table. And so what are your plans from a product standpoint first, and how do you see technology evolving to kind of help you kind of go down that path?
So products, as I don't know how many of you are aware, we have a Greek yogurt line. We have India's first artisanal curd, which is meant for lactose intolerant people. Then we have again Greek yogurt based smoothies, which are again meant for lactose intolerant people. We have launched another exciting product just last month, spreads. Spreads everybody uses, but all the spreads that are available in the market are not healthy to that extent to be consumed on a daily basis. So we have launched India's first healthy spread, which is made out of pure ghee. So we have this exciting spread, which is a mixture of chocolate and ghee, blueberry fruit and ghee, a caramelized banana and a ghee. So that's the product that we have launched. And with the health focus being more and more from the consumer side also, we're going to launch an entire range of sugar-free products early January or late of January, in the month of January. So that's about new products. And tech always is going to be the driver behind whatever new ventures we do, because without data, you are shooting in the blind. Like, you need to have some actionable data which makes sense for you to act upon. And all this data, real time, without any inefficiency, is available only with the help of tech. You cannot be relying when you have 8,000 stores, and if you have to analyze data from 8,000 stores, you cannot be doing it manually. It's surely impossible to do it manually and in the time frame that you want it to be done. So yes, tech is going to be the way forward.
I think one of the biggest challenges for them in every new product, essentially, I think comes down to getting to the right outlet, because they don't have the luxury of a big sales team and the ability to fail enough number of times. So you have to get it right as quickly as possible. So I think the buzzword and the critical word here really is the right outlet. And how do they identify that, essentially, is where the whole technology kind of comes into play.
Yes.
So they kind of almost know where they're going to get into before they start the whole exercise. And I think that's really the secret sauce. So from a future tech point of view, what else are you looking at? I mean, where do you see, what areas do you looking at improving before you kind of take this forward?
So we have started using the Bizom Analytics app to churn out the suggested order for the outlet based on the historical data that is there in the system. So that is one thing. Suggested order gives us the leverage to plan our inventory better. Inventory is, of course, currency for us, because it's short shelf life. I cannot make a plan and modify it, 7 days down the line. My inventory is going to get expired by that time. So we need to make optimum use of inventory, which we believe will be, Bizom will be enabling to the suggested order format, whereby when the guy visits the store, a pop-up will come on his screen. What is the stock available at the store? If he puts in it will automatically suggest an order for it, and thereby we can make optimum use of the inventory available at our hands.
Thank you. On that note, I would like to thank you, Vijay. Thanks for coming and sharing your experience.
Thank you.